Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Wattpad how to make words bigger on laptop. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow these steps as well. There are a couple of methods that you can try in order to make words bigger on Wattpad. So to do it, first head over and open up your browser. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is just simply type in wattpad.com on the search bar, and then once it loads, simply log into your account. Now once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is select one of the books. Now in order to make words bigger, first method what you can do is just simply on your touchpad pinch to zoom in, and that will make the words bigger, and you can zoom out as well and adjust the size as well. The next method is to clicking on this three horizontal bar, and here you'll find the option that says zoom. Simply click on plus to increase the word, and simply click on minus to increase the size of the word. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.